Hi, my name is Khan and welcome to the new chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about that what is order flow and what is order block and how we can identify where is our high probability zone when we are looking for the buy and sell. In this chapter, you will learn all about that which level you should buy and sell and which level is high probability and which level you should avoid and which order block you don't need to buy and sell. Order block is not all about SMC. Order block we just use just for additional confirmation and also we use for the refinement purpose. Main thing is our structure, liquidity and order flow. These three things are very important in smart money concept. First thing you have to identify where is our structure and next thing is where is our liquidity and third thing is very important which is our order flow. Where is our unmitigated order flow? Where is our unmitigated order block? Because order block comes from order flow. So that's why order flow is more important compared to the order block. If order flow is mitigated, it means there is no need to mitigate your order block, right? If all order flow is mitigated there, then you have to focus on order block. Okay, so I will explain all these things in a details. In this chapter, you will learn all about order flow, order block and POI zone. So this one is our Aussie USD chart in a 15-minute time frame, and you can see this one is our higher time frame as an intraday and 1 minute for the entry in a lower time frame. So first of all, you have to mark your structure in a higher time frame. In a 15-minute time frame, I'm using as a higher time frame, and you can use 15 minute as a higher time frame and 1 minute for the entry and 1 hour as a higher time frame and 5 minutes for entry. If you are using 4 hour as a higher time frame, then you can use 15 minute as a entry time frame. Okay, so I'm using here 15 minute as a higher time frame. So in this case, first of all, you need to mark a structure in a higher time frame as I mentioned in starting. In this case, you can see this one is our actual main low is here because market rise here, then market went down. Okay, because before this move market was bullish and bearish and bullish and bearish. You can start anywhere. You have to start structure mapping from bottom of the move or top of the move. So in this case, this one our previous lower low is here and this point become our lower high right here. Why? Because market taken out the inducement. So in this case, where is inducement? Right here. Okay, so when market taken out the inducement, our lower low is a confirm here because market momentum is bearish here. Okay, and then what happened here? Market break this low and confirm this become our break of structure because market momentum is a bearish here. So this point become our break of structure, candle close below it. So this is a very general thing, as you know, right? So this point become our break of structure, market push downside, and we need again inducement to confirm lower low because market momentum is completely bearish right here. Okay, let me show you through drawing, then you can understand more better and more clear. Let me show you through bar play, then you can understand more better and easy to understand for you. Now this point is our break of structure here and we need again inducement to confirm lower low. So where is our inducement? This one is our first pullback after break of structure. If market went down, more down, something like this, then our inducement transfer here to here. Okay, as you know, so we need inducement to confirm lower low. So let's see what happened next after this one. Market taken out this inducement right here. Okay, so when market taken out the inducement, probably we are looking for sell right here. Okay, so this point become our lower low right here. Okay, because market taken out the inducement. If market break this high and close over it, so this point become our chalk because market momentum was bearish and now turn into bullish. So this point become our chalk, change of character, because market looking for the reversal to the upside, but everything is bearish here. Generally we are looking here for sell because market taken out the inducement, but you have to identify there is any unmitigated order block, POI or order flow or anything here. Okay, so in this leg you can see there is no imbalance, there is no POI, there is no order flow, there is no order block right here. Okay, so in this case, how you can deal? In this case, simply you can deal in a two situation. First thing, if inducement taken out and create here any chalk or flip entry module based on single candle order block in a higher time frame and lower time frame chalk flip, then you can sell here and you have to take this low as a target here. And second thing is here, you have to wait for it to create the structure. Sometime what happen, market push upside and sweep this high. Okay, if sweep this high, probably we are looking here for sell. Right, I want to mention here one more thing which is very important. First thing, when you marking your POI in a higher time frame, there are 2-3 types of POI. First one is here like single candle order block, and next one is POI based on your higher time frame order flow. Right, this one is your order flow right here, and next type is a POI about order block, which one is here. Right, so basically we use 3 types of POI: or single candle order block, and this one is our order block or unmitigated shadow, and this one is our order flow. So basically these three type of POI available when market break the structure or sweep the high or low or taken out the inducement. So how you should take a decision in a lower time frame? If market create single candle order block right here, then when price tap here in a lower time frame, then you have to take a decision based on single candle order block in a lower time frame as well as, right? And second thing is here, if price tap on your order block is here and unmitigated shadow, then you have to wait for it lower time frame chalk or flip anti module, then you can sell here based on order block right here. Okay, and third one is here order flow. This one is our order flow. So when price tap here in a lower time frame, then you have to take a decision based on a lower time frame order flow. If price mitigate here, lower time frame order flow mitigate here, break this one and sell here based on order flow right here. Okay, so main thing is to explain about order flow, order block and single candle order block in higher time frame, lower time frame. If you are marking higher time frame POI in a order flow formation, then you have to take decision in a lower time frame also in a order flow, right? If you are marking single candle order block, then you have to take a decision based on single candle order block in a lower time frame as well as follow the higher time frame or POI into lower time frame structure as well as, right? I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain here, because English is not very well, because English is not my primary language, so that's why. But please try to understand here what I'm trying to explain here. If you are marking single candle order block POI in a higher time frame, then you have to take decision in a lower time frame as well as single candle order block NT, right? If you are marking POI based on order block, then you have to take trade in a lower time frame chalk flip and sell on order block, right? If you are marking your POI based on order flow, then you have to take decision in a lower time frame based on order flow. Okay, but it depends when price tap on order flow, you can refine into order block, which will be next process I will show you, right? So this one is here our single candle order block in a higher time frame. So you have to mark your unmitigated order block, in this case single candle order block, right? So in this case, where is our single candle order block? You can see first POI is here, and there is a next POI is here, and there is a, this one is a mitigate here, this one is mitigate, this one right here. Okay, so everything is mitigate here. It means there is no unmitigated POI here, only one POI is here, and this one is here, and this one is mitigate. So basically we have a two POI. It means in a lower time frame, I'm talking about lower time frame. So basically we have a two single candle order block right here. So with price tap here, we can take a decision based on sell. First one is our decisional and next one is extreme. If price tap here create single candle order block in a lower time frame, we can sell here. Otherwise we have to wait for it to create new structure, new POI. So on a decisional point, price tap here, this is our actual candle, and the next candle close below it. If price close below it, so this point become our SCOB, single candle order block. If not, then you have to wait for it to mitigate extreme POI right above here. Okay, so price type here like this. Okay, and this one is just slightly mitigate this one, but you have to wait for to mitigate a complete candle, which one is here, right? So what happen here, if the next candle close below it right here, so we can sell here, put the stop loss just above it. So this point become our entry criteria, because this one is our single candle order block in a higher time frame. That's why we are using in a lower time frame as well as single candle order block right here. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, now you can see price close below it at this point. Look at this one right here. Okay, so slightly close below it. So how you can deal in this situation? Simply you can sell here, put the stop loss just above it right here, and this one is our based on single candle order block. And where is our entry and where is stop loss? Stop loss just above it, and for the more safer side you can put the stop loss just above it, but I'm using this one because 3.5 stop loss is much better in a 1 minute time frame. And target, the main low is our target, and this one is our point when we can take small partial or put your stop loss on a break even point, right? So this one is our setup based on higher time frame to lower time frame structure. Okay, so this one is our all about entry based on single candle order block. Okay, in this chapter I will cover all types of entry: single candle order block and order flow, right? So this one is based on single candle order block. This one is our setup. inducement taken out, higher time frame, create single candle order block and wait for it to mitigate in a lower time frame. Tap here, give reaction and create another single candle order block entry right here. Okay, so this one is our entry and you have to wait for it to mitigation. Okay, market went up. Okay, and this one is our failed, right? So this one is our failed setup, but this one is our valid setup as per our plan. If market tap here and create something, a downside move, something like this, and market break this low, and then you have to put the stop loss on break even point or take some partial and break this one and full close here, right? So this one is our setup based on single candle order block right here. Now again switch here in a 15-minute time frame, in a higher time frame perspective, that what's going on here. In this case you can see the previous high was here. If market break this high is here and sweep this high and create a single candle order block, definitely we can sell here. If market close our weight and then this point become our chalk, change of character, and market convert bearish to bullish here. Okay, so let's see what happened here after this one. Let's see. In a first attempt you can see market break this high, just sweep the liquidity, but there is not create any single candle order block right here. Okay, you can see at this point there is no single candle order block right here, so you have to wait for it. In this case, if you are thinking that this shadow is grab the liquidity, you can mark as a POI. Definitely we can mark as a POI, but we need a lower time frame confirmation as well as here, right? If you are switch here in a 1-minute time frame and create any chalk flip anti module, definitely we can sell here, otherwise we have to wait for it, right? So in this case you can see market create chalk, but there is no inducement, that's why we can't take this anti module here, right? There is no inducement create in this leg. This is a single leg move here. So if market create any single leg move here, then we can definitely sell here. Okay, so now I'm going to switch here again in a 15-minute time frame and wait for another setup, another probability. So let's see what happened next after this one. Market trying to push upside and finally market are close below it. So this point become our chalk because in a first attempt just grab the liquidity and next attempt market close below it, our weight. So this become our valid chalk. After valid chalk, what are you looking here? We are looking here for the buy because market momentum shift bearish to bullish. Okay, so first of all you have to mark your inducement. So where is our inducement in this case? This point, right? Because this one is our first pullback, but in this leg you can see how many unmitigated order block is here, right? Look at this one. If you are marking order flow, first thing is our order flow. Remember, after break of structure, after chalk, you have to mark your order flow, not order block. Order block is just refinery version of the order flow. When you mark after break of structure is order block, then what happened? Market not mitigated order block and then market went up and down as per your prediction, right? But you missed the trade. So that's why you have to mark the structure and then mark your order flow. Order flow is our next area when we are looking for the buy and sell. If there is all order block, if there is all order flow is mitigated here, right, then you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block, right? So first thing is our order flow and next one is our order block, right? So in this case you can see we are looking here for the order flow. So where is our order flow in this case? You can see this one is our last selling move before this buy. Market went up and down, this one is a mitigate here, right? And what happened here? This one is the last selling move before this buy, and what happened here? Market push upside but not mitigated here. It means this one is our unmitigated order flow right here. Okay, so in the future if market went down, and you can buy here in a lower time frame as well as, right? But remember one thing is here, you can see one more order block just below is right here. Okay, if you are thinking price went down to mitigate this one is our low probability compared to this one, because this order flow is mitigated here, right? And this one is our unmitigated order block. Inducement taken out, mitigate this one, and then market went up, right? So this POI based on order flow. So basically you have to wait for it in a lower time frame, take entry based on order flow as well as here, right? You have to take refinement order flow in this case in a lower time frame, in a 1-minute time frame as well as not based on order block. Remember this thing, because we are marking POI in a based on order flow. So you have to take a decision based on in a lower time frame order flow, right? So this one is our higher time frame. And now let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay, market mitigate this one. In a first attempt market mitigate this one. You have to take a decision in a lower time frame. In a lower time frame, in a 1-minute time frame, you have to refine here in this side where is our 1 minute unmitigated order flow, right? And then we can take a decision first 1, 2, 3, maybe multiple order flow in a lower time frame. So you have to wait for it to mitigate those order flow, and then you can wait for like chalk, flip or sweep. Then we can take entry for the buy because market momentum was shift bearish to bullish. Okay, now I'm going to switch here in a 1 minute time frame. So this one is our higher time frame order flow. Now let's refine here in a 1 minute order block is here. I'm sorry, order flow. So in this case, you can see how many order flow in a 1 minute time frame. This one is our last selling momentum before this buy right here. Okay, because market went up after this drop, right? So this one is a mitigate by this move, like this one is a broken here and this one is a pullback. So this one is a mitigate here. So where is our next order flow? This one right here. This one is our next order flow because this one is not mitigated by the any pullback. So this one is a fresh unmitigated order flow right here. And where is our next order flow? Order flow means valid pullback right here. Okay, so this one is our next order flow right here. So basically we have a 2 POI, or you can say 2 unmitigated refined order flow. So if price tap on a decisional, and this one is called extreme, right? So if price tap on this one and you have to wait for it lower time frame chalk flip, and then definitely you can buy or sell, right? And this one is our next extreme order flow. In this case, you can see here, if price mitigate on your extreme, you can directly buy to create a lower time frame order flow as well, as because this become our high probability. But at this point, when price tap here, create like inducement and mitigate something and then went up right here. And second thing is here, simply you have to wait for it. Same thing here, like previous high is a broken, create chalk inducement, and then we can buy here. And this point become our high probability. But at this point, you can directly buy here also, because this one is extreme and this one is a decisional. When price create on decisional, then we need an inducement proper or sweep, then we can buy. Okay, and also if price tap here and sweep this low right here. So as you know, if market in a lower time frame sweep the previous structure high or low, then we don't need inducement. Definitely we can buy here based on this order flow right here and went up. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one and what we can expect here. So this one is our decisional and this one is our extreme right here. So price tap on your decisional a POI right here, and you can see this one is just broken. So it means that this one is not looking more relevant for the buy. And second thing is important here, market just open here at this point. So this one is not a good time for the buy because market open here and spread too much high at this point. So you have to avoid in this situation. So in this case, you have to wait for it to clear more confirmation. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one and what we can expect after this one. So technically what happened here, in this case, you can see if everything was fit here at this plan. Okay, so where is our PY and what we can expect? This one is our previous structure, which was grab the liquidity. It means liquidity grab here and market went up. So what happened here? In this case, you can see this one is our last selling move before this buy right here. And then this one is a broken here. Okay, so this point become our order flow like this one. You can aggressively buy here at this point right here. Okay, and put the stop loss just below it, which is very larger. That's why you should avoid in this situation. You have to wait for it clear confirmation before the buy and sell. Okay, and this one is our extreme right here. If everything was fit here, then you can definitely take entry. If not, then you have to avoid here. Okay, so let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay, so finally market mitigate your unmitigated order flow right here. Okay, so press tap on your unmitigated extreme order flow right here. Okay, now wait for it chalk here, and then we can take a decision for the buy, right? Because press tap on your extreme order flow. Okay, so look at this one. This picture is very important for you. So this one is our previous low is here and just sweep the liquidity. So if market sweep the liquidity means previous high or low sweep, in that case we don't need inducement, directly we can buy here. If market, for example, this one is our structure something like this and close below it, right? And then market break this high. Okay, so what happened here? In this case we need inducement and then we can buy like this, because this area is our order flow, right? So in this case, what happened here? This one is just grab the liquidity and this point become our order flow right here. Okay, so it means if price went up and then mitigate this and came back to mitigate this order flow, we can take decision here for the buy and put the stop loss just below it right here. Okay, so this one is a process because we are following the higher time frame order flow. So let's see what happened next here after this one, and this point become our entry criteria and this is our stop loss. And where is our target in this case? Look at this one. First of all, you have to mark your higher time frame, main high or low. This one is our major target right here because we are following higher time frame right here, and this one is our actual high. This is a target, and this one is our internal, right? Why this is internal? Because you can see this one is a larger pullback in a higher time frame. If you can see in a 15-minute time frame, then you can understand this one is our internal structure. This one is inducement taken out, lower lows, lower high, right, like this, something like this. Okay, so this point become our internal you can say target. Okay, but main target is here, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, market mitigate this one and our order is executed at this point. Okay, and let's see what happened next here. Also, I want to mention one more thing. If you want to take one more additional confirmation, always you can use single candle order block confirmation for the entry criteria. Okay, price type here, create single candle order block, you can take entry for the buy, right? Okay, but if market not create, if you want to directly buy or sell, you can directly buy or sell based on your order block, order flow right here. Okay, so this one is our entry and this one is our target. And now let's see what happened next here. Okay, in this case you can see here market went up something like this. You can see market break this high, came back this one, mitigate this order flow and mitigate this order flow. All order flow is mitigated here, but you don't need to buy here. Why? Because this one is our unmitigated order flow right here in a lower time frame. I'm talking about in a 1 minute order flow right here. Okay, that's why. So you have to wait for it. This order flow is mitigated here and then you can buy to the upside because this one is unmitigated. If all order flow is mitigated here, right here, if price came back this one and mitigate here, you can buy here, break this high, mitigate this one and buy here. Okay, so you can simply buy something like this. When price tap on your POI, okay, and create a small structure in a lower time frame, then you can add your multiple position till main recent high or low broken. Okay, I will explain these things in a details in the next. I will explain these things in a details in the next. I will explain these things in a details in the next. I will explain these things in a details in the next example. Okay, so this one is our next entry was created here at this point right here. Okay, so if you are thinking first entry was missed here, you can take next entry, but put the stop loss just below it in a main low, right? And where is target? Target are similar at this point. Okay, so let's see what happened next here after this one. Market went up and you can add multiple position here. You can see what happened here. Look at this one. Price type here and create single candle order block right here. You can buy here another single candle order block. You can buy here for the additional confirmation, right? But if you are want to directly buy, you can go for it in a lower time frame based on order flow, right? So this one is our entry based on higher time frame to lower time frame. And let's see what happened next here. Now I'm going to switch here in a 15-minute time frame again to scale multiple position at this point. Look at this one. What happened here? Break this high. If market break this high, okay, this one is a break high. It means market broken this one and came back downside and mitigated unmitigated order flow, which one is here, right here. Okay, so this one is an internal order flow. Type here and switch in a lower time frame in a 1 minute. Same follow as we have done here. Refine into 1 minute order flow and then we can buy here. And same perspective, you can see here. This order flow is here and this order flow is here. Okay, if market broke this high right here, okay, if market broke this high simply like this, then you don't need to buy directly here, right? You don't need to buy directly here. Why? Because we need inducement because main high is a broken here. This is an internal, okay, this move is internal and price coming from your POI. That's why we are buying here directly. Okay, we are buying here directly. If price came back here, buying directly. If broken this high, then you need inducement. Okay, So let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay, so finally what happened here, you can see this high is a broken here. After broken this high, this low is also taken out the inducement, right? Came back downside, mitigate, inducement taken out, broke this high, mitigate, again go higher, mitigate. You can buy here because market already grabbed the inducement, that's why. Okay, so this is a process to take entry based on single candle order block, based on order flow in a higher time frame, lower time frame. Now I'm going to show you based on lower time frame, like based on order block and unlimited shadow. Okay, so let's see. So now you can see here market was bullish and now again turn into bearish right here because market went up. And why this move happened here, you can see this one is our 15-minute time frame and market went up and then went down. Why? Because as you know, 15-minute is a lower time frame and H4 is a higher time frame. Okay, based on higher time frame, so market went up to mitigate something in a 4-hour time frame. That's why this move was happened here. Overall market momentum was bearish here. Okay, so now what are we expecting here? We are expecting market was first chalk, break of structure. Now we are again looking here for buy, but market went down because market following your higher time frame. Higher time frame is a main time frame because we are using 15 minutes. That's why we are not switching any other time frame, but based on 4-hour time frame and 15-minute time frame, this one is a mitigate something here. I'm going to show you exactly, then you can understand. Market not follow any single time frame right here. Okay, what happened here in this case, you can see this one is our previous like here, this one is our previous lower low, taken out the inducement, create lower high, break the structure, push downside, create new lower lows, taken out the inducement, mitigate this shadow, and you can switch here in a 15-minute time frame and then sell. What happened here, again break this low. When market break this low, we can sell after taking out the inducement. This one is the inducement, mitigate something here and then sell here, break this low, and this is the order flow right here. That's why market went up then push downside. So this one is a main low, very highly chances market break this low right here. Okay, so overall direction looks bearish in Aussie USD based on a higher time frame, 4-hour and 15-minute time frame. Okay, so now I'm going to switch here in a 15-minute time frame again to see exactly what's going on here. So in this case, you can see this point become our chalk. It means market momentum turn into bullish through bearish, right? Market momentum turn into bearish. Look at this one. When market momentum is a bearish, definitely we are looking for sell after taking out the inducement. First of all, after chalk or boss, as you know, you have to check where is our unmitigated order flow, right? So look at the structure. Always find order flow and order block bottom of the move or top of the move. So in this case, where is our order flow? This one is our last buying momentum before the sell, which one is mitigate here. This one is already mitigate here, and this one is also mitigate here, and this one is also mitigate here, right? And if you are thinking why not this one, okay, so this one is also unmitigated order block, but remember this low is broken by this move. Actual momentum was created here, not this one. Okay, not shift here, actual momentum start from here, right? So this is a part of this lag like this. If market not break this low, okay, something like this, and go higher, so this point become our next order flow. So this high is not broken, just broke this low, so momentum start from at this point to this high. So we are using entire as a order flow right here. Okay, so this one is here, mitigate at this point, market went down, and then what happened here in this case? After mitigate this one, market again push downside, next order flow. Where is our order flow? This one, right? No, this time this point become our new order flow right here. Why? I'm going to show you. At this point, what happened here? Market break this high. If not break this high, because high and low broken, so this move something like this, right? So this is an order flow which is mitigate here. Okay, in this case market not break this high, that's why again push downside. This is an entire order flow, break and sell, right? In this case, now create chalk, and after chalk we are looking for sell. But where is our unmitigated order flow? This low is broken. Actual order flow is right here. Okay, because this one is our main low is here. I'm talking about internal right here, which one is broken by this move. So this become our actual order flow is here, because this one is broken by this one. If market mitigate something here, then we are looking for sell, right? But always remember, this one is a candle close below it. So if candle closer, then we need a inducement. So if market create here inducement something like this, then definitely we can sell. Otherwise, if market went up, okay, structure is broken, so we are looking for sell again. Why? Because this high act like inducement, and now we need to wait for to mitigate your order block and unmitigated shadow before the enter. Okay, so where is our unmitigated order block and unmitigated shadow in this case? Look at this one. Right now this one is our high, this pullback is our inducement, this is our inducement right here, and now again everything is mitigated here, everything is mitigated here. So only one zone is here when we are looking for the sell, because everything is mitigated here. So first of all, you can see this one is our order block, this one is a decisional, and this shadow is our extreme. Okay, you have to check in this order flow, right? Because just above it everything is mitigated here. You have to check at this point. So this one is a decisional and this one is a extreme. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. And this order flow is mitigated here. Okay, and you don't need to take entry here directly based on order flow, because order flow is mitigated here. In this case, you can see what happened here. Chalk create here, inducement taken out and mitigate order flow, and then we are looking here for buy, right? And then what happened here, when price type here and create order flow, then we are directly buying here, because price coming from your mitigate your extreme order flow, not directly. Okay, we are not buying here directly anywhere, right? Because we need inducement. And same thing happen here, price type here and order flow, all order flow is mitigated here, only order block is available at this point. So we are looking here for the sell. If price mitigate this extreme or mitigate this decisional POI, definitely we are willing to sell at this point. So this one is our entry criteria. First one is our decisional right here, and decisional order block, sorry, decisional POI mitigate here. And what is this? This one is our single candle order block right here. And now we are going to switch here in a 1 minute time frame, and we can take entry at this point. Okay, because this one is our shadow, this one is our entry based on single candle order block entry module. So in this case, you can see where is our unmitigated POI, unmitigated order block in this case. In this case, all single candle order block is mitigated here, only one order block is here, right here at this point. So probably we are looking here for sell at this point. And where is the stop loss? Just above it. So this one is our definitely our losing trade at this point, and this one is our trade. Okay, so this one is our, it hit our stop loss, and now again you have to wait for it to tap on your extreme POI, then we can trade in a lower time frame as well. As first of all, now I'm going to switch here in a 15 minute time frame. Okay, now we are waiting here to mitigate your extreme POI, which one is here, create tap here. Okay, so at this point what happened here, when price tap on your extreme POI, in that case what happened here, you have to switch here in a lower time frame as well as in this case, because we are using higher time frame H1, we are using higher time frame 15 minute as a order block and 1 minute for the lower time frame entry. So you have to simply first identify where is our unmitigated order block in this case. Look at this picture, this one is our POI right here. So where is our order block and where is our POI right here? Okay, so this one is our first order block is here, and this one is our next order block is here, right? And if you are thinking why not this black, because both high are equal, similar like this. So you can use whatever you want, you can use black candle, you can use blue candle. Okay, so you have to use always larger candle compared to the small candle. Like first look at this one is also important for you. If both candle high are equal, then you have to use master candle like this. Okay, and in this case black candle is a larger, so which is already mitigate here like this. So there is no sense to use extreme, this blue candle. So only one POI is here, this blue candle. So if price type here and create any chalk flip entry module, then we can use this is a refinement zone for the buy and sell. Price type here. Okay, and then what happened here, look at this one is our previous structure was here, which is sweep the high. When price sweep the high, it means we are willing to sell directly, and you can sell here, and you have to wait for it to mitigate your POI, hidden POI or order flow anywhere, right? because previous high or low sweep directly you can take entry. Okay, but you have to identify where is our order block. Look at this one. This order flow is mitigated by this move. This order flow is mitigated by this move. Everything is mitigated here. There is no unmitigated order block or order flow, right? So where is our POI in this case? Simply we can use wait for it to mitigate, taken out the inducement. Sorry, we can take entry based on your unmitigated order flow, order block, or hidden POI. So this is zone when we are looking for the sell. If price type here in this zone, we can sell here. Okay, for example, if market create here any single candle order block right here, or order block, order flow, unmitigated order flow, then we can. Otherwise you can use this one is a hidden POI. Okay, because everything is mitigated here. So let's see what happened next here after this one, and you have to wait for it to mitigate this hidden a POI which was here, right here. Okay, so simply you can take decision here for this sell. Where is stop loss? Just above it here. Okay, almost 3 pip stop loss just above it. And where is target? Target is main low. This one is our target at this point. So this one is our target, and this one is our entry, and this one is our stop loss. So if price type here, and now you can take trade based on lower time frame structure as well as here, like this was an internal structure you can see, and this move happen here when POI is a very larger and a structure is a very larger in that case. So this one is a pullback. If market sweep this high and came back downside, you can take entry here based on order flow, order block, whatever you want. Also if market close over it, then you have to wait for it, taken out inducement and sell, and directly fill sell. Okay, so let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay, all right, so at this point market just break this high, just sweep the liquidity. In that case simply you can trade based on order block and order flow, because the previous internal high sweep the liquidity. So entire zone, this one is our order flow right here. Why? This one is our pullback, like this one, actual pullback here. You can see this is a small pullback and go higher. If you are thinking why not using this entire zone as order flow, you can use entire one, but this one high is a broken, right? That's why we are using this one. And also if you are using entire zone, you can use. Okay, but for the refinement purpose you can use this one for the refinement. And this one is our order block entry. So basically we have 3 types of entry. First one is based on order flow, and the next one based on order block at this point, stop loss just of it right here. Okay, and target are similar, the 15-minute main low. Okay, market went up. Okay, mitigate your this entry here, right? So this entry is mitigated here. And also now price coming from your POI, so simply this become our next POI. Sell here, put the stop loss just of it until broken this low, right? When market break this low, then you don't need to sell directly. You need to wait for inducement before the enter. Okay, so this entry is not executed on order block. That's why you miss so many entry based on order block. You have to think about order flow first. Okay, order flow is just a refinement version. Okay, so let's see what happened next here after this one. In this case you can see market break this low. So when market break this low, so simply we need inducement, break this low, inducement taken out. So where is inducement in this case? This one, inducement taken out, mitigate your POI, order flow, sell, break this low, inducement taken out. This is the next POI is here, we can sell here, right here, something like this. So this one is the next POI right here. Okay, and again what happened here, break this one, this low, not sweep, we need inducement taken out, mitigate something, push downside, break this low, again we need inducement, then we sell like this. Okay, so finally market hit our target point. When market take a target point, again what happened here, taken out inducement, mitigate this unmitigated order block, and same principle applicable here, and then again sell here. When you switch here again in a 1 minute time frame, you can see again sell setup. In this case look at this one. This one is our next POI right here. Let me show you exactly at this point. This was our refinement unmitigated order block, this one and this one. Basically we have a 2 POI because this one is a order block in a 15-minute time frame. If I extend here, first one and this one, right? When price tap any POI, simply we need a chalk and inducement and then sell. Price close over it, so we need inducement. There is no inducement. So what happened here? Inducement, sorry, previous high sweep here. So if previous high sweep here, simply we can sell here like chalk, because this is a small pullback like this one. This is a chalk, this is a order block, sell, put the stop loss just above it right here. Okay, so this one is our next entry, put the stop loss just above it. Why this one? Because this is a small pullback like this, small pullback sweep, break this one, chalk, and this order block is mitigated here and sell. Also this is a order flow, you can directly sell here like this based on order flow and order block, right? So this is an entry process in a higher time frame to lower time frame. When market break the major higher time frame, main higher low, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order flow. First identify order flow and then identify order block, and then wait for mitigation. When price tap on your mitigation, then you can trade multiple trade based on like chalk flip and single candle order block till main high or low broken. Okay, so this is a process you can trade whatever like market momentum is a bearish and bullish. You have to first identify structure, identify your unmitigated refinement order flow, and next thing, if there is no unmitigated order flow, then you have to wait for it to mitigation your unmitigated order block, right? Generally people do wrong thing. They mark the structure and they mark the order block only, and market taken out the inducement and market went up and down as per your expectation, but you missed those trade because you are following the order flow only. Order flow is just a refinery version. If order flow is mitigated, all order flow is mitigated, in that case you need to use order block. Okay, if order flow is unmitigated available there, then you have to wait for it to mitigate your unmitigated order flow. Okay, I hope you understand that how you can use single candle order block, unmitigated order flow, unmitigated order block shadow as a POI in a higher time frame, and how you can play in a lower time frame. I hope you understand everything in a very detail. If you not understand any topic, any key point, you can watch this chapter in a multiple time frame. Definitely this will help you a lot. I will see you in next chapter. Happy trading.